Hello there. I am here to improve your English pronunciation. Just speak in English. It doesn't matter in which way you are speaking. If you want to speak English sentences, just speak sentences. If you want to read a book, then read a book. It is a great way to improve your pronunciation and your speaking skill. So just practice English in any way. So today I've brought some English sentences, and for your better understanding, I'm gonna read it in Hindi first, then I will translate these sentences in English. So let's do it. आपको धूम्रपान से बचना चाहिए. You must abstain from smoking. You must abstain from smoking. Or you can say you must avoid smoking. You must avoid smoking. मेरे चाचा आसाम से आए हैं. My uncle has come from Assam. My uncle has come from Assam. वह मुझे वहां जाने से रोकता है. He prevents me from going there. He prevents me from going there. Or we can say, he stops me from going there. He stops me from going there. उसकी कंपनी दिन दूनी रात चौगुनी उन्नति कर रहा है. His company is progressing by leaps and bounds. His company is progressing by leaps and bounds. मेरे पिताजी मेरे साथ थे. I was accompanied by my father. I was accompanied by my father. इस खबर से घबराइए नहीं. Please don't get disturbed by this news. Please don't get disturbed by this news. मेरी कहानी सुनकर उसका बड़ा मनोरंजन हुआ. He was highly amused by my story. He was highly amused by my story. यह पैकेट सोमवार तक मुंबई पहुंच जाना चाहिए. This packet should reach Mumbai by Monday. This packet should reach Mumbai by Monday. तुम दूसरों से व्यवहार करना नहीं जानते. You do not know how to deal with others. You don't know how to deal with others. हमें अंग्रेजी भाषा से परिचित होना चाहिए. We should be acquainted with the English language. We should be acquainted with the English language. वह चित्रकला की प्रतिभा से संपन्न था. He was gifted with a talent for painting. He was gifted with a talent for painting. हम उसके व्यवहार से उकता गए हैं. We got fed up with his behavior. We got fed up with his behavior. मेरा बॉस मुझसे खुश था. My boss was pleased with me. My boss was pleased with me. वह अपने काम में तल्लीन था. We can say this in two ways. The first is he was absorbed in his work. He was absorbed in his work. Or we can say he was busy in his work. He was busy in his work. शीला एक कान से बहरी है. Sheila is deaf in one ear. Sheila is deaf in one ear. तुम्हें अपने व्यवहार से नम्र होना चाहिए. You must be polite in your behavior. You must be polite in your behavior. वह संगीत में दक्ष है. He is well versed in music. He is well versed in music. उसे सफलता का पूरा भरोसा था. He was sure of success. He was sure of success. वह अपनी कमजोरी को पूरी तरह जानता था. He was fully aware of his weakness. He was fully aware of his weakness. उसे आम बहुत भाते हैं. He is fond of mangoes. He is fond of mangoes. उसे देखकर मुझे उसके भाई की याद आती है. He reminds me of his brother. He reminds me of his brother. यह मेरे लिए बड़े सम्मान की बात है. It is a matter of great honor for me. It is a matter of great honor for me. क्या वह परीक्षा की तैयारी कर रही है? Is she preparing for the test? Is she preparing for the test? And the last sentence is, मैं उसका हमेशा ख्याल रखता हूँ. I always care for him. I always care for him. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you are still not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it.